Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I was wearing the same exact shirt, but this is the makeup look that I decided to do today. If you want to see how I first started off this look with my base, go check out my last video. I'll put it in a link to the description. Yeah, so if you want to find out how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with this Sigma eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Brother from the James Charles palette. I'm putting the shade on the outer corner of my lid and stopping towards the middle of my lid and then just blending that all out. I'm also going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and blending out the harsh edges. I'll also be taking the shade Hello from the James Charles palette and blending that with Brother as well, just to give it a little shine. I'm also going to go back in with the shade Brother and just really darken up that color. I felt like it was a little bit too light for me, so I wanted to go back in and put more color into that. With these types of makeup looks, it's always best to start off with just a little bit of product. A little definitely goes a long way, and you can always add more later if you need to. I'm then going to go into the shade Playground in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be putting that on the space in the inner part of my lid, connecting it with the shade Brother that we used earlier, and then just blending those two together. And just adding more product to really make those colors pop. I'm also going to be adding Playground to the rest of my under eye there too. I'm going to be taking a little synthetic brush with the shade Hello from the James Charles palette on there and giving it a little spritz with MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to be putting that right in the inner corner of my lid. I also decided to take a pencil brush and go with a very tiny bit of Spooky from the James Charles palette and putting that right in the outer corner of my lid. I did this because I felt like the blue didn't have so much dimension, so I wanted to make it a little bit darker. Alright, and after you make sure all your edges are blended, pop on some lashes and you're good to go. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I decided to just do regular lip gloss because I didn't want to do anything crazy, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to check out all of my social media down and below in the description, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe too. It really helps me out if you do. Yeah, I'm just like loving this. I can't get over it. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.